The best thing about the GSL project is that it let younger citizens use their creativity in order to solve problems in their real lives.
On behalf of my team and all the participants in this competition, we will continue our journey and what we started in hopes of making our Earth a better place for the future.
I'm happy that I worked in this project with my classmates, and I'm happy that we convinced some people to stop polluting the Earth.
This project had taught me the true importance and greatness of our Earth, and I am so glad that I participated in it with the rest of my group.
This project had me stunned and excited from start to finish, and I encourage other fellow students to step up and participate. Let's try to better our future.
I'm so glad I got to work in this project and with my classmates, and I hope that we empower people to stop polluting our beautiful Earth.
It was an amazing experience. It was a lot of team effort actually, and I want to thank all who participated in